Hi guys. Today I will be doing a Valentine's look because today's Valentine's and I'm going on a date. So yeah, so let's just get right to it. Everything's looking clear, great. So I will be starting off with my face because obviously fresh out the shower, with the Niacinamide. I don't know if you can see that. Nah. Well, I'll put in the description box below, but it's Niacinamide, I think. And this is just literally a serum. So the next thing I'm going to use is the EGF serum, and this just basically conditions your skin, and this is from Revolution, their skincare range. Oh good. Whoop. Bit too much. And then I'll be using this face cream from Superdrug. I think it's from their own brand. It's a serum and a moisturizer with chamomile, hyaluronic acid, and the same thing as the first, the Niacinamide. Great. I'm gonna use the Brightening primer from Barry M. I'm gonna start off with the eyebrows, and I use the Revolution pencil. It's got the pencil on one side and then the spoolie on the other side. So back to here. Yeah, we've traced the bottom half of the brow. Now we're gonna do the top. But when we get to here, we're not gonna start from the very end. We're gonna start from here. So yeah, so when you've filled in the back bit of your eyebrow with that thing, we're gonna blend it all the way to the top. So you see the line is not that sharp. So what you're gonna do is just get some product on your hand, like that. And then you need an angled brush as well, like this. And what you're gonna do is okay, we're going to take this blending brush. I don't remember, I think this is from Superdrug, but just any blending brush that blends basically. So now we're gonna blend. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a canvas on our eyes because we're going to do some eyeshadow or this Valentine's look. Get the blending brush once again and just kind of like, instead of rubbing and blending it, we're going to tap it in this eyeshadow palette. And this was my first one, the first one I've ever bought, and it's called Reloaded Newtrals number 2. Okay, so we'll start with this one there. So this one, top of the excess, and what we're gonna do is just pack it on. So next we're gonna go with this one in the corner. It's like a nice red color, yeah. And I'm gonna be using like a smaller brush so it can go into the corner. So yeah, this is the brush. This is the brush I'll be using. I'm sorry, like so much makeup's flying everywhere. So this is gonna be in the crease. I should try go for a cut crease or a halo. I'll do a halo. I'll do a halo. In the center of the eye. So literally in the center. Yeah. So we're just patting it on the eye. This one here. And we'll see what effect that will give off. we're gonna go back in with the red here just to kind of like blend everything, and we're gonna really make sure it goes into the crease. I'm gonna try this. Let's see if that would make a difference. See if I could. Okay, so I'll be using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It sounds so weird in a British accent, but I'm gonna be using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop full coverage foundation in the shade Deep Rich. So applied the foundation. Oh my god, and it dries out so dry. Like, I feel like you can see all my everything basically. There you go. See the difference. Use this, the banana powder. I can use this. Press it on my skin, so I'm gonna use the darker powder. This is the shade Chestnut, the Ben Nye Chestnut powder. Tap it off as well, and see the difference. Like, it adds color back into my face, but see the difference. Like, look how white that is, and then look how. Yeah, I'm gonna use Sleek. This is the one with the brow powder, and then brow powder, the contour powder, and then the highlighter. Can you see that? Can you see it? It's a really fluffy brush. The Plum shade. I could really just. Okay, let me try it up with this lip top off of Revolution. It's called Luxurious, and it's a bomb. Let's see. We're gonna do the rose gold one. Let's see, this color is like a nice pink. Can you see that nice glow? Ah, love it. Put it on my lip. So yeah, so yes, this is the finished look. So I'm gonna go on my date, and yes, I hope you liked the video. Now we've got the whole look complete, and yeah, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to post soon.